Today on this episode, we're going to talk about a 2002 Porsche that we did, a new head unit from Sony. It had the Bose system already stock in it, so we went ahead and integrated into that so you could use the Bose premium sound. One thing about this video we are going to do is it is only going to show you how to install the product. We are not going to show you how to wire it because it's a very simple wiring harness. A normal installer could do this. It's been doing this for a year or two. So if you do have any questions on the wiring, which is all color coded, red to red, yellow to yellow, black to black, just give us an email or shoot us a message. But most of this video is just going to be over how to take the vehicle apart and put it back together and show the finished product of what it's done.
Alright, this is a 2002 Porsche Carrera S. We're going to be taking this factory radio out that does not work, and we're going to be putting a double DIN in here and relocating the HVAC down to here. So stay tuned, I'll show you how that's all done and we'll do a step-by-step process. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove this. It says the radio keys should go in like this with the curved part in the middle part, not towards the outside. Snap in, curve part again over here, snap in, and we should be able to just pull this, yep, and that bad boy will come right out. Alright, there's the 40 VW tin harness or antenna. We've got our 3 harnesses back here. Those are what those will look like. Says we're going to pop this off with our trim panel piece. There we go, and that unsnaps right off there. Alright, and then we have this trim bezel removed. We're going to take off, there's 2 screws up here. I'm going to show you those. One right there that I'm about to take out, and one right there that we're going to take out to be able to get this HVAC piece out of here. And then this is going to come out. Those just unplug right there. So you got 2 plugs, this black one and this red one. They just unplug from the back. We're going to take these 2 screws out right here as well. There's 2 more screws. Alright. We just took these side pieces off right here. Alright, now we're going to take off this piece, so this just take a hard plastic tool and snap it underneath here, and this will snap off right here. And this will all come off. This particular model, instead of having 2 separated pieces, has the U-shaped piece because it's a 911. And then we're going to have to unplug all these plugs behind here. Basically, it's going to go yellow, green, then purple. Those are kind of a pain in the butt to get out. There we go. Unplug, and then we got one more over here. Okay, so that's what our back side's going to look, where we pulled all 3 of these out: the cigarette lighter, this plug, and then this top one right here. And that'll be that trim panel removed. And then there'll be all the plugs left over. Alright, now we've got all this out. We've got our plugs here. We've got your cigarette lighter here. We're going to go ahead and take these Torx out. It appears it's like a T20 right here. go. Yep, down here at the bottom. Another one over here. Got 4 screws. Alright, we've taken this bent piece out, which has 2 little clips on the top right here and here. So we pulled that out to get that out because it's blocking from right here. So this piece will come out, and then this whole entire piece will come out. So we can just take all these, everything out of here. And this whole unit will come off. I got a grounding strap over here for some weird random reason. Yep, so there's a ground right there for some weird reason. Basically right there. So this whole unit will come out. Alright, we're going to unclip these. It says to unclip them from the side, which is kind of not very easy. It says to unclip them. I've got them off on this side, I believe, almost most of the way. So this is how you pull off. The side piece right here has this big clip, big clip, big clip, and we just pulled forward with our panel tool right here, and then it has 3 clips on the back right here that unsnap. So basically we just took our panel tool right here and just unclipped, and then unsnapped it from the back to be able to get these side pieces off. And then we're going to pull these pieces out here. These trays are going to come out. This bottom just come out too. And then we'll pull this bottom tray out. That'll leave us with this. Alright, this is the finished product right here. The Sony Xavax200 installed in the Porsche with the heated, basically the HVAC controls relocated. Everything's all in there.